Hi, good evening. So, today we have a new important news coming up, 7 p.m. One second. So, what I'm expecting today, gold will be down uh, from present level. So, there was a sudden downside momentum, and at the same time, it started recovering. But the thing is, the strength is on sell side. So, one second, just give me 2 minutes of time.
As Warren saying the economy calls for large interest rate cuts, according to Fox Business.
One second, just I'm going through a small setup. Just give me
Fed's
just
Myron
5 minutes of
says
time.
the home jobs data will convince others on Fed to cut rates. Fessett says that Trump initiated the Xi call 30 days after the Korea meet. So Bessent speaking on CNBC. Fed's Myron says monetary policies are holding the economy back. Just remind them. Myron on Fox Business, Bessent on CNBC.
Just give me 2 minutes of time. I'm just going through a setup. Just give me time. So TBC.
Fed's Myron says it's hard to quantify impact of AI on the economy. And US Treasury Secretary Bessent says the US position on Taiwan is unchanged.
So the time today is there was a sudden reversal
Bessent
from
says
order
we
block
agreed to work
at
together on peace and
115.
war in Ukraine.
I think it just started hunting the liquidity before the news. Just give me 2 minutes of
Zelensky
time.
says
Just
Ukraine continues peace plan talks with the US.
so
Bessent says US and China will always going to be natural rivals.
so we have a news coming up at 7.
And Bessent on US and China says the relationship is in a good place. Bessent says we have a 1 year pause with regard to China.
Good. One second.
Bessent on US and China says Trump may attend APEC event in November. Myron says unemployment rate rising because monetary policy is too tight. Bessent says US and China says could be 4 meetings before Trump and Xi next year. Myron says see reasons for economic optimism in 2026.
So we have two targets. We have two targets. One is 170. If news comes in favor of gold, we can see 170. So we have
Bessent on the
two
Fed
targets,
says we'll have last interview in second round today.
170 and 4088. For 4088 is expected, but the thing is, the candle has to close below 4122.
Bessent on the Fed says I have
4122.
five strong candidates.
For now, market struggling. So we have two important targets. If 4088 is breached, we can see the target of 4044. And for now, only the upside target is limited. It is 170. Expecting 160 to 170. So there's a very good candle, but still we have an indication of reversal, but still I'm looking for downside target only. Maybe market can reach 170, and from 170 it can come down to 4088, 44, 88 and 44. We have two targets, but the important thing is the news has to come in favor of gold for upside. If not, market will go downside. So as per delta, to be frank, delta is little bit slight negative on book map. So there's no big change in volumes, sudden dip and sudden up. So let's see what I'm expecting. Let's move on to 30 minutes time frame. So what I'm expecting, the levels, this is the level 4061. This is the ultimate level which I'm waiting for market to reach. Either say अच्छा upside momentum chances मिलेगा. So the thing is on 30 minutes time frame, the reason for reversal, we have two reversals today, C1 and 2. This is 50 EMA, this is 30 minutes time frame. So on a higher time frame, the candle will react very good. The only thing what we need now is the candle has to close below 4122 for reaching this target. So if any candle closing below 4022 after the news, your target will be 4020. If not, our first target to the upside will be 4157, and again 4170 will be the ultimate target for gold. And at the same time, on a 50 minutes time frame, we have an order block exactly at where the market is trading at, and it's a daily VWAP. And it's a daily VWAP. Let me see what's happening in the market. Just give me little bit of time. Little bit of time. I'm just setting up the indicators. Just checking up some settings. Okay. Before the news, I need to make all the setups.
Treasuries rise, 10-year yield near 4%, the lowest since October 29th.
So the thing is, both buyers and sellers' strength are same at this particular point. We can't come to conclusion that market will pump upside, but both the powers, both the sellers and buyers powers are same here. Both buyers and sellers powers are pretty good here. So I'm expecting any one so as to move out of the market. So what I'm expecting, one second. So again, Market is testing its market structure breaker.
As Myron says, I'm interested in moving Fed balance sheet more to Treasury bills.
So for any candle closing above
Myron
150,
says that
170
more
will be
bills
the
and less
target from again
mortgages,
from
notes and
170.
bonds.
I'm expecting downside momentum in the market. So let's see what it's going to be. It's going to be a little bit interesting today. So from our morning market is trading in range. So market is
As Myron
trading in
says, the
range.
Fed balance
Only
sheet
the
size is driven by regulatory choices.
so what I'm expecting upside target of 170 if candle is breaching above. If any candle closing above 150, 150, you can plan for some target of 170. But my strong belief
President
is
says the Fed governors seem to
it
be
will
leaning
touch
towards cutting rates.
150 to 160 level. From there नीचे आने का chances है the target will be
Reminder at 8:15 a.m.
4091
US will
and
be ADP employment change prior -2.5k.
4089 and 4021 is the ultimate target
says
for
the shutdown shaved 1.5% off the
gold.
US GDP.
This is what I'm expecting,
and
but
$11
we'll see.
billion
News will decide the move. New move.
Fed's Myron says, I hope lighter regulations will allow for smaller Fed balance sheet.
So there's a news going up. So the thing is 170 to the upside target. From 170, I'm expecting downside momentum because I can see both buyers and sellers are having the same power. So, and Besant is speaking and throwing some statement. That's the reason the market is acting very weird. So we have 18 minutes for the news. So let's see what will happen today. So waiting for the news.
As Ukraine backs peace deal.
Waiting for the news. So the thing is, BTC we have expected 83, but the BTC target went to 80 on 24th November. So again we can see BTC at 82, 79, 76 and 73 levels. So these are the levels which I am expecting in BTC maybe after the after next month after 15th. So next month after 15th. So we can see what it's going to be. So delta is slightly turning to be positive. Let's see. Book map is not giving any volumes are coming up. You can see some slight delta turning to be positive. Delta is turning to be positive. So regarding this, gold trading exactly at daily VWAP. So I'm trying to share the chart on TradingView, but I'm unable to show it. Maybe I should close my broadcast software and again I need to open that. Then okay, that's not a problem. Let's see. Okay, coming to this, gold exactly trading at daily VWAP. So very important level. Mark on your charts where weekly VWAP is trading. So weekly VWAP is trading at 4100. So weekly VWAP is trading at 4100. So that's the level we need to watch.
Best says the bond market's having the best year since 2020. 10 seconds.
So we'll see. Delta is slightly turning to be positive. Deltas are turning slightly to be positive. Buy orders coming into the market. Buy orders are coming into the market.
The US Commerce Department released Q3 current account data on January 14th.
There's no indication here. We have a swing value pattern again detected here. So this is going to be a crucial level. इधर से नीचे आए तो this, watch out this MVP level, okay, because we have an evidence of SFP. Once we see SFP on the chart, we need to wait for formation of one bearish fair value gap. So that fair value gap, above that fair value gap will be our SL. So for now, SFP is detected, but we need candle to close below this level and at the same time followed by a bearish fair value gap. Then our target will be downside. So for now, India is turning to be positive.
Minus 13.5k, 4 weeks to November 8th. President says the cabinet paying out.
7 minutes and we have 9 minutes for the news and we'll see. Delta turning to be positive, but at the same time, session delta minus 500, minus 800, minus 809. So let's see. Aggressively they are pumping up here. Very aggressively they are pumping up. I don't know why. Aggressively pumping up. Is it a pump or dump? So we have a swing value pattern detector. We need one bearish value gap so that we can see downside momentum. Our target will be, first target will be MVP level, that is 4098, and we have an ultimate target of 4021. Alibaba says they won't rule out additional investment beyond the 380 billion yuan already allocated over 3 years. I don't know why there's too much aggressively people are entering buys. Just setting up my charts, just give me some time because from morning I just received the data. I just received my data, just give me 2 minutes of time. I'm just sitting here, I'm just preparing for the news. So plan your daily VWAP and weekly VWAP. Keep an eye on daily VWAP and weekly VWAP. Daily VWAP and weekly VWAP. Keep an eye. So gold exactly trading at previous day high, and at the same time it's daily exactly just trading above daily VWAP. So this is a very crucial level. Okay. So let's see. 170. It will touch 170 or it will go to 4090 for now. We can see good buy volumes coming up into the market. I can see good buy volumes coming up in the market according to the book map. We can see buy volumes are being executed in the market, and delta is turning to be positive, minus 300 from minus 800 to minus 300. So volume footprint is also getting changed. So 170, I'm expecting 170 will be a good level. 170 will be very good level if market seriously wants to move up. And I feel like staying buys will be a good choice. Target will be 170 because delta is getting changed. Buy volumes are coming up. Delta turning to be positive. That's a good evidence. Spot is trading at 4180, but we are trading at 4145. So there's a big yes. If any candle closing above 140, you can expect 170 because I feel market will go upside only. 170 will be the target for the upside. Let the candle close above 145 or 146 with a good fair value gap at previous day high, so that we can see some good momentum in the market.
Betsmeyer says there's a reason to be more optimistic about the economy next year.
170, 170. I don't know why it has. There was a sudden drop previously. Now it is going good. Exactly trading at previous day high. Coming to the US oil. US oil has taken rejection from the previous day low. Previous day low say it has taken a rejection. Euro is pumping good from let's get back to the gold. I can see some strength in the buyers according to the book map or footprint.
US Bureau of Economic Analysis says GDP third quarter 2025 is to be released December 23rd.
On 5 minutes time frame, order block has been reached. Now it is testing. Order block at 44, 46 and 49. So what I'm expecting, 170 will be a good target after the news if news comes in favor of gold. So from 170 I am expecting market can come down. There are no big targets on the upside. After liquidating 170, there is a chance of downside target 4089, 4067, 4040. So 4000. So let's see देखते हैं क्या होता है. So after reaching 170 only I can check the change of volumes and then we'll take our decision. So we have 6 minutes for the news. Let's see क्या होता है. I can see some decent buying volumes coming in the market. Delta, even though I can see some selling volumes, but the delta is positive. The only thing is delta is positive.
I'm just going to give the PPI data for September retail sales as well. PPI year-on-year forecast 2.6% unchanged from the prior. PPI month-on-month forecast 0.3%, prior -0.1%. Core PPI year-on-year forecast 2.7%, prior 3.8%. Core PPI month-on-month forecast 0.2%, prior -0.1%. sells month-to-month forecasters for 4% price surge for 6%. Core retail sells month-to-month forecasters for 3% price surge for 7%. US retail sells year-on-year 5%.
So let's see candle to close above previous day high. So what I'm expecting, previous day high, it has to close above previous day high with a good fair value gap. Our target will be 170. From 170 I'm expecting downside. Expecting 170. So there's a liquidity area, there's a liquidity sweep, and we have a swing value pattern. Once swing value pattern is detected, we need to wait for candle to close below swing value pattern followed by a bearish fair value gap for confirmation of downside momentum. So don't chase the candles. Again and again I'm telling you, don't chase the candles, don't get into conclusion. Candle closure is very important. Again and again I'm telling, candle closure is very important. If you find such swing value patterns, wait for candle closure, take your decision. Gold exactly trading at previous day high and at the same time daily VWAP. So 4100 is ultimate target if news comes against gold. If news comes favor to gold, target will be 170 for today. 170 say I'm expecting some downside momentum. Change of characters. We have a beautiful order block at 115. This is the third time market is taking a rejection from 115. Still I can see buyers upper hand. Buyers are upper hand. 1 minute for the news. Let's brace for the impact. Let's brace for the impact.
1 minute go now. We'll lead with US PPI year-on-year.
1 minute for the news. Watch out levels 170. If candle closing below previous day low or high, you can plan for downside targets. Let the market come out, then we'll take our decision. PPI is negative, so it's good for gold. US retail sales is 0.2, expected is 0.4. So only US PPR year on year is positive, remaining core PPR is negative. So it's better we can stay on buy side. It's better to stay on buy side. Yes, we can see some buy volumes coming up into the market. Buy volumes coming up into the market. Buying volumes coming up into the market. So let's check. Stay on buys for 170. 170. Stay on buys. Stay on buys. If I see any volumes coming up, I'll let you know. Stay on buys. Stay on buys. Stay on buys. Stay on buy side. So there's a liquidity sweep area. So market will retest this. If seriously market wants to go down, it has to retest this zone. Then only it can go down. This is a liquidity sweep area. Already it is breached and market candle is trading above this liquidity sweep area. So 24 MT5. Oh my god. So let's see. Still, I can see buyer volumes in the market. Even though the market is coming down, I can still sense buy volumes in the market. I can feel buy volumes in the market. So delta is positive. I don't see any selling pressure coming up. That may be for a retracement. Still, I can sense according to the book map. Still, chance on buy side. Buy side, yes. Still on buy side. Still on buy side, exactly trading above previous day high and weekly VWAP. And we have an order block at 150 to 155. So I'm expecting at least it will reach 170. I don't see any negative volumes in the market. Still, I can see some buying volumes in the market, and I don't feel it will come down. Let's see what will happen here. 170 is the expected target. 170 maybe after 8 7.
Alibaba says
I think we need to wait for 8 p.m. 8 p.m. for the real move. 170 will be the target. Stay on buy side. 170 will be the target. Expecting target 170 if market reaches 170 by 8 p.m. 8 p.m. downside will be the target after 8 p.m. If candle reaches 170 before 8 p.m. downside will be the target after US market session open.
Alibaba CEO says listing Alibaba is unlikely within 3 years.
170 will be the target. Still we have swing failure pattern is still active, but still stay on buys. 170 is expected target. Still I can see good buy volumes. Expecting 170, 170, 170. Expecting. Stay on buy side. Stay on buy side and 170 is expected target. One seven zero. Stay on buy side and 170 will be the target. Your first target will be 155 and 170. If before 8 p.m. if candle reaches 170, I'm expecting downside from 170. Okay, keep that in mind. 'Don't take chances. Don't take chances. I can see buying volumes coming up into the market. Still on buy side. I think MVO level is moving up. MVO line is moving up. People are hugely entering into the market here. So what I feel, market will retest this MVP level. Okay, let the market come to MVP level. From there, upside possible because MVP line is coming up very fast. So once it started moving, that means there's a volume flowing into the market. So we need now patience. $170 expected target. Stay on target. 170. Lock.
According to survey, Iraq's total oil exports for October at 110.9 million barrels.
Stay on buys. Stay on buys. $170 is expected target. 170.
French German 10-year yield gap at minus 2 basis points to 73 basis points, the least since November 13th.
Still, I can see buyers in the bond market. It looks like buy on every dip. Buy on every dip. At least expecting 155 level. At least in worst case. So we have strong momentum. This is a strong momentum. See the EMS. We have strong momentum. Still, we have a supporting of 50 EMA. Only the thing is MVP level is coming up fast. That means people are entering with huge volumes into the market. Now this MVP level will make average price. Okay, so let's wait. So the trend is simply positive. Still on buy side, those who can take chances, you can take chances. Otherwise, wait for right pullback. From 50 EMA, again you can enter buys, but I have entered my buys and I'm holding my position. Just it is playing with the tops. That's it. 50 minutes candle closure and we can see now. At least it has to reach 155 for good liquidity sweep. At least in worst case, it has to reach 155 for going downside. That will be a very good liquidity sweep. So I'm expecting at least 155 to 170 level. Let's wait. If you see any bearish fair value gap, you can close your buy trade and you can open sell trade. I'm holding my buy trade. Okay, I'm still holding my buy trade. Let's wait. We need some patience here. We need some space and patience. PPI is not much impressive. So everything is negative, so we need a right time to place some orders on buy side. Okay, don't think that market will dump. This is only manipulation. After 8 p.m., you can see the real moves into the market. Don't. If you want, you can just scalps on sell side, but still, I'm staying on buys and I'm holding my buy position. Stay on buys. I'm holding my buy entry. Stay on buys. I'm holding my buy entry. If MVP level comes near to this candle, okay, wait for any change in volumes. If a candle closing below this MVP level, नीचे आएगा. Stay on buys for now. Stay on buys. Expecting target 155, 170. 155, 170 will be the target for now. Stay on buys. Stay on buys. <coughs> 155, 170 is the target for now. 155, 170 is target for now. There is some good volumes coming up into the market.
Ukraine official saying that Ukraine supports essence of peace deals framework following Geneva discussions. So yeah, move towards it, a little bit of move towards the other side of the SP 500, just a tiny move there. Before
Still the trend is very good. Still the trend is very good. Still the trend is very good. Expecting 155, 156, 170 level. 155, 156 and 170 level. So once market reaches 155 or 156, move yourselves to break even and write the entry.
At 9 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the US Case-Shiller 20 year-on-year forecast 1 spot 4%, prior 1 spot 6%. US House Price Index month over month forecast 0 spot 2%, prior 0 spot 4%. US House Price Index year-on-year prior 2 spot 3%.
Still there is a chance of buy. 155, 156, 170 will be the target. I'm holding my buys. I'm still holding my buys.
Also expecting comments from ECB's Kipper line, who's due to make an address at tokenization session of Financial System Conference 2025 in Dublin.
Still I'm holding my buys. Still I'm holding my buys. 155, 156 is the target. From there you can move yourselves to break even. If you are in profit, now also you can move your profits to break even. Don't take chances. One 155, 156 is the target. 155, 156. So after 8 p.m. we can see some good momentum in the market. Good volumes. Bookmap is good. Delta is good. Delta is positive. Delta is highly positive. And now we can see some tough resistance at next 40 pips. You can make it 155, 156. Yes. So watch out this level. Okay. Watch out this line. This is very important. If this is coming up very fast, if candle closing below this level, it will be very fast to the downside. So take that into the mind. Okay. For now, delta is still positive. Stay on buys, stay on buys. Killing gap. Still on buy side. Buyers are holding the strength. Sellers are little slightly weak. Stay on buys. Whatever happens, stay on buys. For now, one target of 155, 160. Ultimate target will be 170. Once you have green, move yourselves to break even. 155, 156 is the target. Ultimate target will be 170. So delta is positive, even though we can see some dips in the market. You can stay on buys. एक झटका कैंडल आएगी तो अच्छा रहता. So we need only one झटका candle with good fair value gap. Okay. So future trading at 82. 82. Sorry. Spot is trading at 83 and the future is trading at 48. Stay on buys until candle closes below 50 EMA. If you have some good equity, wait, you can stay on buys until candle closes below 50 EMA. Because it's a 50 minutes time frame, hardly 100 pips will be your sell. Just 2 minutes, I'll get my water. It's coming down. No problem. Let's see, let's see. You can still stay, no issue. We have a strong support downside, that is previous day high. 40 is a very strong support. Don't worry about the candles.
By the way, I'll be leading the US K-share 20 year on year.
Stay on buys until previous day high is sustained. You can comfortably stay.
US effective federal funds rate unchanged at 3.42%.
Stay on buys expecting 155, 156. 170 will be the ultimate target. Come on, buddy. You can do it. And let's go.
10 seconds. One spot 36%, one spot 36%, lower than forecast at 1 spot 4%. US house price index month over month 0%, 0%, lower than forecast at 0.2%. House price year on year is 1 spot 10%, 1 spot 7%.
You can see some drama here, but still.
ECB
Hold your
holding
buys.
under
Hold your buys.
44
I'm staying on buys and my entry is at 42. I'm still holding my buys. Expecting target of 155, 150, 155 and 160 and 177. 170 will be the ultimate target. 170 is according to the candle theory. Okay. According to the candle theory, 170 is comfortable target. Once 170 is liquidated, I feel market will come down.
So just to clarify, the ECB settled 1,882 billion of public sector bond purchases.
See, if you want to add on some buys, if you want to add some buys,
Forex reserves rose
this is the level.
300
If any candle closing above this level, you can go for some, you can add some lots here. But the thing is, it has to close above this. If candle closes above this, comfortably it will reach to 155. So this is a resistance area. Okay, this dotted line is a resistance line. Okay, you can add some lots if candle closes above this line. If you want to sell, see here, you can see some lines here. See here, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So what this is, if any candle closing below this line, go for selling. Any candle closing below this line, this dotted line, red, go for selling. Until unless candle stays above, you can stay on buys. After a long time, we have seen some resistance here. So if this resistance is breached, market will shoot up. So this is an important level. If candle closing above this level, you can see some good buying opportunity. Otherwise, if candle is staying next 30 minutes below this level, it will come down. Candle closure is very important. Make a note of it. I can see some return points here. देखते हैं क्या होता है. Still I'm staying on buys, okay.
So seeing some prior revisions, US K-share 20 city year on year, prior revised 1.57% compared to the original prior 1.58%. US K-share US HPI year on year, prior revised 1.45% compared to the original prior 1.51%.
So let's see if candle closing above that particular level, we can see some good buying opportunity. So that's an indication and that's a caution. Move yourselves to cost, please. Move yourselves to cost. Selling volumes. Waiting for confirmation of any bearish fair value gap here. Until unless I don't find any bearish fair value gap, I will not close my trade. That's my stand. Let's see. I don't see any bearish fair value gap here. Still it is trading above previous day high. Still I have a chance. Gold trading exactly at previous day high. If candle closes below previous day high, you can enter some sells here. But still, I'm on buys, expecting target of 155 and 170. I'm holding my position. If your BE is hunted, wait for new entry. Once your portfolio is in green, move yourselves to cost or break even. Let's see what will happen here. Trading at previous day high. Come on, baby, you can do it. Oh, 'Waiting for target of 155, 170. I am locking the target. It has to. There's a slight variation between trading view and Exness. Come on, man, you can do it. So wait for 8 p.m. Wait for 8 p.m. MVP level. MVP level. Five minutes. Waiting for the target of 155, 170. Let's see, we'll wait 15 minutes. Wait for 15 minutes if you want a new interest. Wait for 15 minutes. Let's wait for 8 p.m. so that we can see some good momentum in the market. 8 p.m. Wait for 15 minutes, go and have a break for 15 minutes and come back. 8 p.m. Let's see. काटेगा या नहीं भागेगा. Gold giving some pain here. Still, it is trading above previous day high. That's the only hope for now. That's the only hope. Sell volumes coming up into the market now. Sell volumes. Waiting for a reversal candle from previous day high. So 10 minutes for 8 p.m. So let's see what can we expect here. Serious order blocks here. If candle closing below previous day high, it can come down aggressively. But what I feel 155, 170 is expected target for me. We have a swing value pattern detected, swing value pattern detected. Yes, we have a swing value pattern detected, but we have a reversal. That sounds good. Swing failure pattern detected by a spike. Good combination. We need one bullish candle here for confirmation. Swing failure pattern at least 10 to 20 pips is expected for upside momentum. If we see a good bullish candle here, it will touch 155, 170. We have an indication area bargain. Let's see what will happen here. Still, market is holding previous day high. Come on, buddy. Come on. 8. Show some power in the market. Sell volumes coming up into the market. Sell volumes are pushing the market. We need one green candle here. Sell volumes into the market. Sellers are pushing the market for now. Sell volumes. Wait for 8 so that we can see some clear moves in the market. Sell volumes exactly on daily VWAP. USD JPY exactly at important support. If this support is breached on USD JPY, it will come down more downside. और यार नीचे आ गए. Wait for 8 p.m. magic. 8 p.m. magic. What? 1 minute for 8 p.m.
10 seconds. Market on open imbalance S&P 500 buy side 295 million, Nasdaq 100 buy side 26 million, Dow 30 buy side 75 million, Mag 7 buy side 4.8 million.
I think we have a fair value gap here.
AMD falls to 6% as Meta absorbs the strength of Google's AI chips. Nvidia shares fall 4.6% at open. Alphabet shares gain 2.6%.
गोल्ड नीचे आ गया. Gold exactly at OTE level. Gold trading exactly at OTE level.
Alphabet shares hit record high after the information reports Meta
Gold trading at OTE level, and we have a confirmation of bearish fair value gap
2%.
on 50 minutes time frame. Gold trading at OTE level. Waiting for Asian high to get swept. Waiting for Asian high to get swept and market can come down. Still, my levels are 155, 170. From 170, it's downside.
Against cutting VAT on energy policy in the budget.
Don't jump. Okay, wait. 20 pips down, and both buyers and sellers are having same strength. Still, I feel from 150 or 170, market can come down aggressively, but it has to reach 155, 170. So I will enter only sells when market reaches 170, 160 to 170 level. Sellers into the market. Sellers are coming into the market. Gold exactly on a OTE level. Slowly, it's coming down. I'm not entering into any sells because I still feel I'll get an opportunity for buying for a target of 155, 170. I'm not looking into any sells for now. So until unless it closes below 118, I'm not looking into any selling position, even on the scalp. So my target is 155, 160, 170. From 170, I'll open my sell position. So I'm not trying to open any cells here because I want to enter some good position. So what I'm expecting, so market has to reach at least 160 to 170 level for good selling opportunity. So 1, 2, 3, this follows by M. So any candle closing below 22, aggressive selling can happen. So still we have a final opportunity of 20 to 23 level. इधर से मिला तो अच्छा buying मिलेगा, or else if any candle closing below 22, go for aggressive selling. Your target will be, as we discussed, 4020 will be our target. But for now I'm not opening any sell positions. I'm still waiting for buying opportunity for the target of 155, 170. I'm not into any sell position. I'm still waiting for buying opportunity. If any candle closes above 50, I'll wait for 200 pips, and from 170 I'll start selling.
Cable rises 0.5%. Hits 1 week high.
Waiting at least 50 level. At least it has to come to 50 level for good downside momentum. So at least from 50 level I'm expecting. So 4150 will be a OTE level for selling. So for buying, present level is OTE level. Okay. So for buying, the present area is OTE level. For selling, 43 to 48 is OTE level. From there, you can go for some good aggressive selling. So MVP level, this is the reason I said MVP level. Line is coming near to the candle. Now it will be averaged. So MVP level. From after touching candle touching MVP level, we can see some good momentum in the market. Good candle. Sellers. Very good candle. MVP level, candle trading exactly at MVP level. Very crucial level. Candle near to MVP level and the same time 118.
Nvidia shares slashed by 5%, erasing $243 billion in market value.
So now sell side OTE level 34 to 34 to 40 is the OTE level for selling. So from here market may retest 40 level, 34 to 40 level. From there we can see some good selling because buy side OTE level has been liquidated. Now market will try to liquidate sell side OTE level. From there it can come down. So now I'm turning bias to sell. Buy only above 50, sell below 50. So sell below 50, buy above 50, wait for OTE level retest of sell side, that is 43 to 50 level. $33 to $40 is a level to watch for reversal for selling. This is a level what I'm waiting for retest selling. Either say this one. This is a zone what I'm waiting for now. This is a sell side OTE level. This is a sell side OTE level. This is a liquidity area. So either market will take reversal from this level to this level or from here to this level, and we can see some aggressive selling coming. So below that level selling, okay, below that zone selling. So previously we are on bullish, but now bias we are changing it to bearish. Now waiting for the retest of 33 to 40 level for retest. 33 to 40 level. OTE level. Wait for that OTE level zone retest, or you can enter some sells. Above that zone will be your SL. Below that, you can enter some sell trades whenever you get an opportunity. Selling. Waiting for retest for good selling from that particular level. The box or you can enter now sells also. You need to wait. Your SL will be 50. Below 50 selling, above 50 you're on buy bias. But now we have changed our trades to sell side.
US stocks extend fall for
We
now.
have two important liquidity levels. This is one liquidity level. This is two liquidity level. From either this from this level, this area can be retested, or the worst case from this level, this box will be retested. This area will be retested for coming downside. Selling bias. What was the previously what we have discussed? 80, 90 level, 90 level. So this is a liquidity zone. If candle takes any rejection from this particular level, here it will retest and it will come down. Our target will be 90. 4090 will be the level. So for now, the target will be 4090. This is a OTE level. OTE level. I know people know what OTE is. So this is OTE level. So our target is 90, 40, 90. 4090 will be the target. The only thing is, if market wants to take a rejection, this is the last area possibility of rejection to this side. If once this is breached, straight away 90 level, the next target will be 40 level. So the only level, the last support area. If it takes rejection from this particular zone, it will retest this zone and it will come up.
US natural gas futures fell over 5% to a one-week low on record outputs, ample amounts of gas in storage, contract expiry, and lower prices in Europe on Ukraine peace talks. Eastern Time, we have the US CB Consumer Confidence forecast 93 spot 3, prior 94 spot 6, with a range of 96 to 91. US pending home sales change month over month, forecast 0.2%, prior 0%. US business inventories month over month, forecast 0%, prior 0.2%. Richmond Fed Composite Index forecast -5, prior -4. US pending home index prior 74.8. The S&P 500 healthcare sector hits record high, Nasdaq 1.3%.
వస్తుంది వస్తుంది దగ్గర వస్తుంది. ఏం పిచ్చి 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 పిచ్చికి వెళ్తుంది అది. నాకేమో తమ్ముడు దగ్గు, తమ్ముడు ఇటు రావడం దగ్గర అసలు వెళ్తుంది 150 ఆ బ్లాక్ నుంచి పడుతుంది గట్టిగా. లాస్ట్ లిక్విడిటీ లాస్ట్ సపోర్ట్ వస్తుంది. So this is the last area and the last hope for the support. If this support is breached, our target will be 4090 and 4040. So the last hope for liquidity sweep. So even if take a rejection from this particular zone, it will retest this zone and it will come down. Okay. Until unless candle closes above 47, don't go for any buying. If candle closing above 47, your target will be 170. Okay, this is the last area for reversal. Either say this is the area and from here it can come down. So liquidity 1 failed. Now liquidity 2 is testing. So this is an important level. Waiting for retest of this zone and selling. So it's going to be a little tricky today. Careful. There is a zone to watch for reversal. That's the reason I said this zone and this zone are very important because we don't have any wick here. This is liquidated. So whenever there is no wick on the downside, sure market will take a liquidity sweep. So these are the confirmed targets for downside if you don't see any wick to the downside. The last area for buying is this level 4110. So this is the target and from here it will come down. Last area for buying. So what I'm expecting, 35 to 40, market will retest this zone and it will come down. Target of 4090, 4040. If any candle closing above 47, you can open new buy entries above this line. Your target will be 170. So until unless candle is staying below this line, selling. There's a last buying area, liquidity area. Last support area is 4110. Either say we will get buying opportunity. This is the area which we are waiting. इसको retest नीचे आएगा. New buys will be again above from 47 level. Our target will be 150. So this is first area to enter buys. This is a second area to enter buys. So this is a reversal zone to the sell side. So this is the game plan. Wait for market to retest OTE level. We have a new level here. above this level buy. No, this is a resistance. Any candle closing above this resistance, you can go for buy. So whenever you see this green dotted lines on the screen, if any candle closing above this green dotted lines, you can go for buying. If any candle closing below this red dotted lines, you can go for selling. So we have one more resistance line here. So be caution. It's going to be a little bit tricky now. So we have a new level here. Above this buy, below this selling. This is a OTE zone. So more buying pressure, selling pressure can be seen from this particular zone. So if any candle closing above this zone, this will be the target. We need to check whether the candle is closing above or below this line, then it will come down. So most probably it's bearish for now. If any candle closing above 47, because this is a swing failure pattern. So swing failure pattern, this is a zone for breakout. So the white line, white dotted line. So swing failure pattern is detected. We have a spike, and this is a zone for good breakout. So this is the area SF swing failure pattern. This is a breakout zone. If we see any candle breaking above this white color line, we can see some good upside momentum in the market. Sorry, today I was a bit uneasy with the cold, so I'm taking little bit breaks in the middle. I'm not good with the voice today. So above this zone, buying new buying opportunity above this only. Even though we have a swing failure pattern, we have detected off strong resistance here. Candle closing is very important. Again and again, I'm telling you, candle closure is very important. And let's see what will happen here. I'll take a small break here. Okay, I'll be back in 15-20 minutes. I'll have my dinner and come back. Okay. So watch out for that level. If any candle closing above that resistance, you can wait for 43 level. 43 is a rejection. It can come down. Market is playing today like hell. So taking reversal from this zone and we have a confirmation of swing value pattern. So now it is on bearish bias. So let's see, expecting sell from this particular zone, at least a spike to liquidate this zone. We can say comfortably downside. But you will see what will happen here. Waiting for 38, sorry, 34 to 40 level for downside. 38 to 40 level, which I'm waiting for selling. Taking rejection from the order block. Waiting for again rejection from this particular area, which I've drawn here.
Russia expands
So about this selling, if any can closing above our resistance buy, below this selling. So this is our first entry for buys, second entry for buys, third entry for buys. We need patience today, okay? Today we need lot of patience to trade because New York session starting at 8. So at least 12, 12:30, we can see some good momentum in the market. coming down. Very typical. Very typical.
The Russell 2000 index hits one week high, last up 1.3%.
Selling, selling. 0.5, 0.6. So buyers are losing the control. Buyers losing the control. So we'll do one thing. So we'll fix our target to 4090, 4090 and 4070, 4090, 4070, 4040. So these are the targets which we are waiting for now. So sell volumes coming up into the market comfortably. So very good. Stay on sell side.